Is it okay for the children to know about the life after death?
That's a very important question. Actually, there's a qaida, a principle that you should treat people according to their degree, right? So there's a hadith of this nature. Also, we have a quotation from Sayyidina Umar where he says, خَاطِبُ النَّاسَ عَلَى قَدْرِ أُقُولِهِمْ, that speak to people based on the measure of their intellect. And so it's very important to introduce kids to the right things at the right time. And because of that, the way that the program is structured is that the little children, the ones that are in Montessori, grade 1, grade 2, are exposed to those aspects that are essential for them to learn but are not too cumbersome on them, right? It's not very daunting on them. So for example, they're going to be talking about good health and the importance of being fit, the importance of being healthy, how to deal with things like sicknesses, right? And then moving onwards, as the grades get higher, we go to more different topics, things that will enhance their understanding of death. And the reason why this is so important is because death is part and parcel of our belief system, right? The Prophet ﷺ and the Quran, they link the Iman to things like believing in the next world, believing in the life of the grave. So if we don't inculcate these things into the students now, especially those students who are, from our perspective, are adults. These middle schoolers are adults, functional adults. So we have to start spiritually dealing with them as adults. And the better and more clear that their concepts are with regards to death, the more taqwa, inshallah ta'ala, will be instilled in them. And going forward, this will do wonders for them. And to give them the opportunity to teach this to a wider audience, an audience that might not be privy to this information, is very important. Allah.